Hey friends, good morning. I hope you all are doing amazing. I'm doing super. As you know about me, I'm Saloni from Gaya, Bihar, and I'm an English learner. Every day I come here and I try to speak English. And today is the day 23 of learning English, so I'm so excited and so happy. So without wasting the time, let's come on the point. As you know, why is English language important of everyone? Because everyone wants to get too much confidence and they want to change their personality. And suppose your children are going to school in CBSE board school, then you must need to talk to them in English. That time English will work. And suppose you are a housewife, then you can get easily a job while sitting at home. I am also a housewife, but sometimes I use computer, sometimes I use laptop as well as a mobile. But if I don't know English, then how can I operate these things? For that, I need to learn English, and there is more important things. And first of all, it comes in our mind, how should we start speaking English? Think about this word, these sentences. Speaking English, not reading English. I know reading English is so different comparing to speaking English. And you all are listening to me to speak something in English. Until you open your mouth, how can you get too much confidence and how can you become an English fluent speaker? So for that you will have to speak English. And now I am standing in front of a camera and it's raining outside, cats and dog. So what should I speak? My mind is there because all clothes were hanging on the clothes line. It might be drenching in the rain. It's okay. I will manage. So first of all, you will have to give attention here and you will have to consistent here. Some people, they want to speak and they come to speak English, but after 2 and 3 days, they get demotivated because they don't have any partner with whom they can talk with English. I am also alone. Right now, I am also alone and there is nobody at here. Still, I am speaking English and I don't have any fear who will judge me. No. Only I am here to improve my English, and before one day I haven't made any videos because I was busy a lot. So today I got time, so I thought first of all, by leaving all the works, first of all I will speak English. Otherwise my English will be not improved. If I don't speak 1 or 2 words in English, then how can we become English fluent speaker? For that, we need to be consistent here. And if you are making videos like me, so you will have to speak English every day. And you can also share your journey on YouTube. Because after recording videos and after uploading videos on YouTube, I can also correct my spellings, English spellings and English sentences where I was getting stuck and what was my mistake, so that I can also improve after watching my videos. And it's about 1 o'clock, so I will have to go outside. See you in the next video. And it's raining cats and dog. My man is there. So see you in the next videos. And if you like my videos, then please one subscribe and one like. Because your one like and one subscribe, it motivates me a lot. So thank you. Bye bye.